In this video, I'll give you my Pictory coupon code to help you save some money off of your subscription. To do this, simply type Creator20 to claim a 20% discount. Here's how you can apply it. First of all, click my personal link in the description below, which will bring you over to pictory.com. In case you already have a Pictory account, you can skip this part of the tutorial. So, to create an account, click the Get Started for Free button. Then you can either sign in with your Google account or manually type your name and email. It's pretty straightforward. After completing the sign-up process, your Pictory account will be created. And to actually claim the discount, you need to click the upgrade button that says 14-day trial activated in the upper left corner of your screen. Once that's done, you'll be directed to this part of the website where you can pick your plan. Either of the plans works great, but I would personally recommend the professional plan. So from here, I'll click the Buy Now. Here, you can see all the perks that come with your plan in the checkout. Go over to the coupon code section and type Creator20 and click Apply. In a few moments, your discount will appear. And as you can see, we've saved about $100 for a year's worth of subscription, or depending on what plan you decide to go with. Now click Proceed to continue with your purchase, so there you have it, the best coupon code for Pictory on the internet. I'll leave my personal link as well as the coupon code in the description down below so that you can use it. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Pictory. Let me know, and I'll also leave some links to some of my reviews in the description so you can check those out. See you in the next video.